How to create custom fields in Zoho CRM. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to the Zoho CRM website. After you're in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your Zoho account. Once you are logged in, you'll see this kind of web interface. Now, in order to create custom fields in your Zoho CRM account, you need to go to the settings first. Here in this home page, at the bottom left, you can see the settings icon. Tap on it. Now on the left hand side, you can see different settings menus, and here in this customization section, you can see this modules and fields option. Tap on it. You can see different modules listed over here. In order to create a custom fields in your Zoho CRM, you can go to any of these modules. You can see different section inside it. You need to go to this field section. After you're in this fields tab, now in order to create a custom field, tap on this create and edit fields option. Now here in the left hand side, you can see different new fields option, and choose the new fields from here and you can add it. So that's how you can easily create custom fields in Zoho CRM. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.